Hello and greetings to everyone. We will continue from where we ended last time. We will continue with V. For V, we have time. We talk of time. Time is simply a measure of the duration between two events. Time is a measure of the duration between events. Time is measured. We measure time using a stopwatch, a clock, or a watch simply. Time is measured in seconds. Measure time in seconds, minutes, or hours. You know that 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 minutes make 1 hour. Other units of measuring time include other units of measuring time include we have days, weeks, months, years, decades, centuries, and millenniums. And let's take down these conversions, how we can change from one unit of time to the other. Conventions. First one, I'll write them down with a red pen because they are very important. 60 seconds. We abbreviate seconds by making use of an S. Small s as such, lowercase s, equals 1 minute. We denote minute by using min. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 7 days is equal to 1 week. 4 weeks is equal to 1 month. 12 months is equal to 1 year. 10 years is equal to 1 decade. 10 decades. 10 decades is equal to 1 century. We have 10 centuries is equal to 1 millennium. 52 weeks is equal to 1 year. 365 days is equal to 1 year. 366 days is equal to 1 leap year. And lastly, 100 years is equal to 1 century. You can see here 10 years is equal to 1 decade. 10 decades is equal to 1 century. So for us to get the number of years in 1 century, we are simply going to take 10 times 10, which gives us 100 years. We go now to the next thing, which is to note this down. We take down this note. It's very important. To know whether a year is a leap year, we divide the year by 4. We divide the year by the number 4. If the year is divisible by 4, that means when we divide the year by 4, it gives us a whole number with no remainder. Then the year is a leap year. That means if that year is a multiple of 4, just know that it is a leap year. For example, the year, let's take for example this year, the year 2024 is a leap year. If you take 2024, you divide by 4, you will simply obtain 506, which is the whole number without any remainder. So it simply proves that the year 2024 is a leap year. That's why in this year 2024, the month February has 29 days. In most leap years, the month of February has 29 days. But the year, we take the year 2023. The year 2023 is not a leap year. So if you take 2023, divide 2023 by 4, this will give us 505. It gives us 505.75. You can see it is not a whole number. So this year 2023 is not a leap year. And that's why if you go to the year 2023, the month of February has 28 days. Example, example, question 1 goes, convert the following. For A, we have 5 years to weeks. B, we have 4 hours to seconds. For C, we have 4,745 days to years. For D, we have 1 week. We have to convert 1 week to minutes. E, we have 298 years to decades. Take question 2. Which of the years from 1992 to 2024 is a leap year? We take solution. Question 1 says convert the following. For A, we have 5 years to weeks. First, we know that 1 year has 52 weeks. 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. For us to get the number of weeks in 5 years, we are going to multiply both sides here by 5. This will give us 5 times 1 year is equal to 5 times 52 weeks. So we need to perform this multiplication. We know that 5 times 1 year will simply give us 5 years. 5 years will be equal to 5 times 52. If you take 5 times 52, it gives us 260 weeks. We are done with this solution. Underline the answer. Next, now we go to B. For B, B says we should convert 4 hours to seconds. First, we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. For us to get the number of seconds in 1 hour, we are simply going to multiply 60 by 60. We are going to take 60 times 60. So 1 hour will simply be equal to 60 times 60 seconds. This will give us 1 hour to be equal to 3,600 seconds. For us to get the number of seconds in 4 hours, we are simply going to multiply both sides here by 4. Take 4 times 1 hour, it will simply be equal to 4 times 3,600 seconds. This will give us 4 hours to be equal to, we need to multiply 3,600 by 4, which gives us 14,400 seconds. We are done. We go now to C. For C, we have to convert 4 4,745 days to years. First, we know that 1 year is equal to 365 days. So for us to get the number of years in 4,745 days, we are simply going to divide 4,745 by 365, which will give us to equal to divided by 365. Then in this case the unit will be years. So this will simply give us, let's perform the division. 4,745 divided by 365 gives us 13 years. This will be the answer. We go now to the next, which is D. For D, we have to convert 1 week to minutes. First, we know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. Next, we know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Next, we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now, for us to get the number of minutes in 1 day, 1 day will simply be equal to, we need to get the number of minutes in 1 day. We are going to multiply 24 by 60. This will give us 24 times 60 minutes. This will simply be equal to 1,440 minutes. Now we can easily get the number of minutes in 1 week. So in order for 7 days, we multiply both sides by 7. 7 times 1 day, which will be equal to 7 times 1,440 minutes. So this will give us 7 days to be equal to, because we know 7 times 1 day will give us 7 days, we are going to multiply 7 by 1,440. This is 10,080 minutes. We conclude, therefore, 1 week simply equal to 10,080 minutes. We go now to the next question. Question E. For E, we have to convert 298 years to decades. First thing, we know that 1 decade is simply equal to 10 years. So for us to get the number of decades in 298 years, we are simply going to divide 298 by 10. 298 years will simply be equal to 298 divided by 10. Then here the unit will be decades. So this will simply be equal to 29.8 decades. We go to the next question. Question 2. Which of the years from 1992 to 2024 is a leap year from 1992? First, we need to verify If 1992 is a multiple of 4, let's take 1992, let's divide 1992 by 4. We divide 1992 by 4, it gives us 498. So it simply means the year 1992 is a leap year. Let's write down the leap years. Leap years from 1992 to 2024 simply be equal to, let's write down the leap years. The first one will be 1992. The next one, for us to get the next leap year, we are simply going to add 4 to 1992. So if 1992 plus 4 gives us 1996. The next will be 1996 plus 4, it gives us 2000. The next one we add 4. 2000 plus 4 gives us 2004. The next we add 4, it gives us 2008. Next we add 4, it gives us 2012. Next we add 4, it gives us 2016. Next we add 4, it gives us 2020. We add 4, it gives us 2024. So these are the leap years from 1992 to 2004. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 leap years. We are done with the solution of the examples. We move now to the next thing, which is on temperature. Let's take VI as temperature. When we talk of temperature, temperature is simply the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Let's write it down. Temperature is the degree of coldness or hotness of an object. It is measured using a thermometer. That's what we use in measuring temperature. Underline thermometer. Temperature has units. We have has units. The degree Celsius. I'll write them down with a red pen. The degree Celsius is denoted by using small o up like this with a C. The next one we have the degree Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit, denoted as such, and Kelvin, denoted by making use of a K, such capital K. Next, now let's take conversions, how we can change from degree Celsius to Kelvin, from Kelvin to Fahrenheit, from Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius conversions. Take I. Then we are going to take the first hyphen by the margin. To convert, that means to change, to convert temperature, from degrees Celsius to Kelvin, we simply add 273.15 to the value of the temperature, in degrees Celsius. That is, we make use of this formula. If you have to convert our temperature in degrees Celsius to Kelvin, we are going to make use of this formula. The temperature in Kelvin will simply be equal to T here, small t. T is the value of the temperature in degrees Celsius plus 273.15, and the unit will be Kelvin. Now, when small t is the value of the temperature in degrees Celsius. Let's take example, e.g. example given, convert 73 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Write down solution. We are going to make use of that formula above. The temperature in Kelvin will simply be equal to, we know that the value of the temperature in degrees Celsius is 73. So 73 plus 273.15. The unit will simply be Kelvin. This will simply be equal to 346.15 Kelvin. This is the result. We go now to next hyphen. To convert temperature from Kelvin to degrees Celsius, we simply subtract 273.15 from the value of the temperature in Kelvin. And that is temperature in degrees Celsius will simply be equal to the value of the temperature in Kelvin minus 273.15. All this will be in degrees Celsius as the unit. When T, capital T, is the value is the value of the temperature in Kelvin. Let's take e.g. sample given, convert 338.15 Kelvin to degrees Celsius. Take solution. Our temperature in degrees Celsius, T in degrees Celsius, will simply be equal to the value of the temperature in Kelvin is simply 338.15 minus 273.15. So all this will be in degrees Celsius. This will simply be equal to, if you take 338.15 minus 273.15, this will simply give us 65 degrees Celsius. This is our answer. Now we go to 2i. Take 2i by the margin. First hyphen. To convert temperature from degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, we make use of the formula below. I'll write down the formula with a red pen. T1, that means the value of the temperature in degree Fahrenheit, is simply equal to the value of the temperature in degrees Celsius. You multiply it by 9/5, and you add 32 to this value, and the unit will be degree Fahrenheit, where T1, T subscript 1, is the value of the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. Let's take e.g. convert 25 degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Solution. For us to convert 25 degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, we are going to make use of the above formula. We know T1 in degrees Fahrenheit will simply be equal to, first we are going to multiply the value of the temperature in degrees Celsius by 9/5. So we are going to take 25 times 9/5. You can write this 25 here as 25/1. The result we obtain, we are going to add 32, and all this will have units degree Fahrenheit. This will simply be the same as, will be equal to 5 will go to 1, 5 will go into 25. 5 times 9 gives us 45. 45 plus 32, this will be in degree Fahrenheit. So this will simply be equal to 45 plus 32 gives us 77. This will be 77 degree Fahrenheit. We take now the next hyphen to convert temperature from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. We make use of the formula below. Our temperature in degrees Celsius will simply be equal to, take the value of the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, you subtract 32 from it, then you multiply the result by 5/9. And all this value will take a unit degrees Celsius, e.g. convert 152 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. Let's take solution. Our temperature in degrees Celsius will simply be equal to, we are going to take the value of the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, we subtract 32 from it. The value is simply 152 minus 32. Then we multiply the result by 5/9. Then the unit will simply be degrees Celsius. This will simply give us 152 minus 32 is simply equal to 120. So this will give us 120 over 1 times 5/9. So if you need degree Celsius, this will simply be equal to, we perform all the necessary simplifications. We divide 120 by 9, then we multiply the result by 5. We are simply going to obtain 66. If we give the result to 2 decimal places, 0.67 degrees Celsius. We go now to 3i. To convert, first hyphen, to convert temperature from Kelvin to degrees Fahrenheit. We make use of the formula below. I'll write down the formula with a red pen. T1 T1 unit degrees Fahrenheit simply be equal to, take the value of the temperature in kelvins, minus 273.15. We multiply it by 9/5. Add 32 to the result. And this value will take a unit of degree Fahrenheit. Let's take an example, e.g. convert convert 378 Kelvin to degrees Fahrenheit. We take down solution. T subscript 1 in degrees Fahrenheit will simply be equal to, we are going to take the value of the temperature in Kelvin, which is 378 minus 273.15 as such. Then we multiply it by 9/5. Then we add 32 to the result. And all this will take a unit of degrees Fahrenheit. This will simply be equal to, if we take 378 minus 273.15, we are going to obtain 104.85. Then we are going to multiply it by 9/5. Then we add 32 to the result, and the unit will simply be degrees Fahrenheit. So this will simply be equal to, if you multiply 104.85 by 9/5, you're going to obtain 188.73. We add 32. This will be in degree Fahrenheit. So this will simply be equal to, if we add 188.73 plus 32, you're going to obtain 220.73 degrees Fahrenheit. You underline the result. Next, we go to the second hyphen to convert temperature. Convert temperature from degrees Fahrenheit to Kelvin. We make use of the formula below. Make use of the formula below. Write it down with a red pen. Temperature in Kelvin, capital T. When you see capital T, that means the value of the temperature in Kelvin. When you see small t, that means the value of the temperature in degrees Celsius. If you see capital T subscript 1, that means the value of the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. This will simply be equal to, we are going to take the value of the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. We subtract 32 from it. Then we multiply the result by 5/9. Then we add 273.15. All this will take this value, the final result will take a unit of Kelvin. Let's take an example, e.g. convert 431 degrees Fahrenheit to Kelvin. Take down solution. Our temperature in Kelvin will simply be equal to, we are going to take the value of the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, which is 431, minus 32. Then we multiply the result by 5/9. Then we add 273.15, and the final value will take a unit of Kelvin. This will simply be equal to we take 431, we subtract 32 from it, we are simply going to obtain 399. We take 399 times 5 over 9, we are going to obtain 221.67 plus this constant 273.15 with the Kelvin. We add 221.67 plus 273.15, we are simply going to obtain 494.82 Kelvin. You underline the final answer. Exercises for application. Those convert the following. Convert the following. Here we have 7 kilometers to decimeter. For B, we have 24 miles to kilometers. C, we have 500 hectares to kilometers squared. D, we have 10,000 meters squared to we go now to E. E, we have 50,000 grams to ton. F, 349 decagram to milligrams. We go now to G. G, we have 1,756 liters to meters cube. H, 86,400 seconds to hours. I, we have 88 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. J, we have 431 degrees Fahrenheit to Kelvin. These are the exercise for application we have on this topic. So you do well to answer the exercises. If in case you have any problem, you leave your questions at the comment section. You like the video, you share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.